In this lesson, I'd like to show you how you can create operations manually on features that have been identified on your part. On a simple part like this, if I extract the machinable features, it will recognize the hole that I have here. When I generate an operation plan, you'll see a center drill operation and a normal drill operation have been created. What if I wanted to add a contour operation to this hole? To do this, I simply right-click on one of the operations or on the part setup, and since we're adding this to a hole, I will select Insert Hole Operation. For other features, such as bosses or pockets, I would select Insert 2.5 Axis Operation. Also keep in mind that since I'm inserting an operation, this must be done on the CAMWorks Operation Tree tab, rather than the CAMWorks Feature Tree tab. Here, under the Insert Operation Property Manager, I can select the operation type and the preview below updates accordingly. I'll then select the hole from the feature selection box. There are more properties here at the bottom that define the hole. The offset values here could be adjusted if this were a tapered hole, but since this is a straight blind hole, there's no need to. Everything looks good, so I'll press Next. Here I have the Edit Operation on Creation checkbox. I'll leave this checked, so when I click OK, the Operation Parameters dialog box opens automatically so I can check the parameters and then click OK. I'll exit out of the Insert Operation Property Manager, and you can see that the contour mill operation has been added to the tree. Here's one more example I'd like to show you. On this part, I have two pockets. One of them just has a rough mill operation, and the other has rough and contour operations. I want to insert a contour operation for this pocket, and I'd like to use the same settings that I've already set up for the contour step on the other pocket. To do this, I'll right-click on the rough mill and select Insert 2.5 Axis Mill Operations, Contour Mill. I'll select Rectangular Pocket 1 from the Feature Selection box and click Next. I can either accept the default parameters for this operation by leaving the Use Tech DB Defaults box checked, or I have the option to copy the parameters from a contour mill that was already set up. Since the Edit Operation on Creation box is checked, the Operation Parameters dialog box will pop up as soon as I click OK. I'll click OK one more time to exit the dialog box. And you can see that the contour mill has been added with the same size tool and other operation settings that were used with the other pocket.